नमस्कार, एसीजीएस ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हमारे पास 15 दिन पहले कुछ इंट्रेंस वेट स्टूडेंट्स आए थे जिन्होंने यहाँ पे स्टे किया है और उन्होंने अपना प्रैक्टिकली एक्सपीरियंस दिया है और यहाँ पे काम भी किया है। तो अभी उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चन जानते हैं कि यहाँ पे हमारा सेंचुरी इनको कैसा लगा। हाँ जी, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार, हाय।
हाँ जी, आपका नाम आप बताएं और आपको यहाँ पे कैसा लगा वो एक थोड़ा बताएं हम।
मेरा नाम सवी कुलकर्णी है, मैं बैंगलोर की हूँ, बट हम सब बुडापेस्ट में पढ़ते हैं। वी आर ऑल इन आवर 4th ईयर। हम लोग अभी 2 हफ्ते हो गए यहाँ पे इंटर्न करते हुए, एंड दिस इज आवर लास्ट डे। एंड आई हैव टू से वी कुड नॉट हैव चोजन अ बेटर प्लेस टू इंटर्न। हमने यहाँ पे सब कुछ किया है। आई थिंक we fast forwarded 4 years in 2 weeks यहाँ पे। We actually feel like wet doctors यहाँ पे, तो that is a big thanks to you guys।
तो यहाँ पे जो सेंचुरी है आपको कैसा लगा, जो सेटअप कर रखा है हमने मैनेजमेंट
You want to answer that?
बना
How's
रखा
the
है
setup like in ACGS?
Honestly, okay. So hi guys, I'm Naveen. I'm also done with my 4th year. We're entering our 5th year. I'm from Kerala, so that's why I'm speaking in English because my Hindi is awful.
No problem.
But yeah, how do I think the setup is? I think it's done really well. Like they've split the entire sanctuary into several areas. You have the areas dedicated to dogs. You have separate areas for cats, for monkeys, for cows, for horses, for the emus who are not here right now. But yeah,
There's a cat right there.
but there's a cat right here. And I think the setup is done really well because there is a clinic with an outpatient and inpatient department and the operation theater, and you have accommodation and all that, accommodation for everyone and extra accommodation for any guests visiting,
And the food.
and the food was a very big positive. We were like well fed throughout this entire time. So yeah, honestly, in terms of the management and the overall layout, excellent. I would say like, it's doing really well.
अच्छा जी, आप हाँ जी, आपका नाम आप बताएं और आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ पे जो हमारा जैसे लार्ज का हम अलग से ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं या ओपीडी हमारा चलता है, ओटी चलता है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएं।
What's your experience with large animal and small animal medicine?
My name is Amit Thomas, also from Kerala. So Hindi is non-existent. It's been a very, very eventful past 2 weeks. Honestly, the clinics are very well set up. It's all well thought out. They have all the necessary equipment to treat most of the animals here. The large animal care is also quite well here. Unfortunately, we don't have a clinic set up here yet, but I think they'll be working on one quite soon. So for the time being, we just do basically like sort of a house call where we visit the animals in their sort of shed and then treat them at the spot. But even that, we take a lot of care to handle them. And I think overall, it's a very good job being done here. We've all managed to gain, I think, so much
Yeah.
experience.
So much.
And we've done things and like seen things very differently from like how we listen to in classes.
Yeah.
Especially I think we get so much practical experience here, which is quite missing from most, definitely our university we can say, but I think most universities also would be lacking that in their courses.
I agree.
It's really incredible. And of course the conditions here are a bit different. The way they have to like deal with the cases is much more different here at the shelter compared to a private clinic. And honestly, I couldn't think of a better place to intern for the past 2 weeks. It's been really an amazing experience,
I thought that.
and I feel a bit sad that it's our last day, honestly. It's quite a shame, really. Anything you guys want to add?
थैंक यू। तो अभी जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, आपने यहाँ पे कुछ सीखा होगा, कुछ चीज देखी होगी, तो आप यहाँ से क्या लेकर के जा रहे हैं? कुछ नई चीज आप लेकर के जा रहे हैं या कुछ नया सीख के जा रहे हैं, वो आप थोड़ा बताएं।
बहुत सारी चीजें। Like I said, I think what we study in class does not prepare us for what we have to do in a clinic. So जब भी एक केस आता है, I think last year अगर हम लास्ट ईयर यहाँ पे आते तो आई थिंक वो जस्ट स्टैंड इन द कॉर्नर एंड ब्लिंक कि ठीक है क्या करना है अभी, नेक्स्ट क्या करना है। बट यहाँ पे आई थिंक आफ्टर day 1 we were able to catch up on, okay, there's a case, now what's next? At least one of us is ready with what all we need, another one is ready with restraining the animal, another is ready with जो भी चाहिए होगा, medicines fill करना. Everybody knows there's a sequence of, you know, the way things work here, and I think that was like we caught on like so quickly यहाँ पे, जो बहुत सारे places में नहीं होता है, because either they don't let us do it because you know they probably ask us to stand back and watch or shadow the doctor, या हमें ऐसे opportunities नहीं मिलते, but यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं था. You guys gave us actual chances to scrub in. We scrubbed in with the डॉक्टर्स फॉर सर्जरीज, हमने OPD केसेस देखे यहाँ पे, यू नो जो भी केसेस है, ट्रॉमा के केसेस आए, यू इंक्लूडेड अस इन एवरी सिंगल केस. So I think we're like halfway through, you know, being vets. Like I actually felt like I deserve to be called Dr. Savi after this internship. Okay, let me introduce to you the hero of this place.
नहीं नहीं
रितिका, आइए. ये हमारी रही है गाइड हमारी. She works here as a vet tech. She handles the entire place. The cases coming in. She organizes कि जब हमें क्या कब करना है. She basically takes care of the entire thing and of us. And she was there with us throughout our internship. And we absolutely love and adore her. And she has some questions for us, and we'd love to hear some feedback of how we worked as interns for you. So we'd love to hear a few words from you.
या गाइस आप I'm literally happy with you. Like seriously मैं बताऊं, मुझे आप पहले इंटर्न्स होंगे आप लोग के, मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुशी हो गई लाइक काम किया. मैं हर इंटर्न के साथ ऐसा काम नहीं करती हूँ. So yes, I am so sad for why you are leaving. So
Same,
I hope
likewise.
you are coming next
Yeah, we
year
will.
or hope and next. Anyways, sad for you guys.
But most important question: who is your favorite intern?
She said Mustafa ना, वो है नहीं यहाँ पे.
नहीं मुस्तफा और अमित, both are my favorite.
चलो इसको यहाँ पे
Sevi also, but we are नहीं all
को लेके आते
वो आपको इतना पुश कर रहे हैं.
नहीं Sevi is also a good friend for me and like she's nice girl and I hope
Nothing about.
I'm not talking with Navin a lot, but yes, Navin is a guy,
I
nice
wasn't there
guy.
in the clinical lot.